Guys, how you doing? It's me again. So I discovered some great news and I'm here to share it to Joel Storytime. So you guys do know this hospital, yeah, it's Kempton Park Hospital. I did talk about it in my previous video. So it closed down in 1997, but who knows why it closed down? Well, guess what? I do. So you know this doctor over here. His name is Dr. Andre. What. Anyway, right. This bruh, he had no matric and he did not have a medical degree. Thus, bruh checked several of patients without a medical degree or a matric. And do you know how many people he had killed? That is why the hospital is haunted today. This is what he looks like, guys. Anyway, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. Stay tuned to watch our live. For you do know, myself and my dumb friends are going to explore the hospital. Yeah, we might scream, we might cry, some of us might die. Stay tuned, guys.